Meaning of Glamorgan.
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 Glamorgan. Glamorgan is a historic county in Wales, located on the south coast of the country. The name Glamorgan is derived from the Welsh words glam, meaning pure or holy, and morgan, meaning border district. The county has a rich history that dates back to the Roman era, and it was an important center for coal mining and industry during the 19th and early 20th centuries. Today, the area is known for its beautiful coastline, scenic countryside, and vibrant cities such as Cardiff and Swansea.